In this tutorial, I'll show you how to check if someone has been using your PC without your permission. It's a quick and simple method, and it works on Windows 7, 8, 10, and 11. First, right-click on the Start menu and select Run. In the Run box, type Event VWR, that's short for Event Viewer, and then click OK. The Event Viewer window will open. Maximize it so you can see everything clearly. On the left side, go to Windows Logs, then click on Security. Here, look for entries under the task category labeled Logon. These show you the exact time someone signed in to your computer. If you double-click on an entry, you'll see more details about that login, including the time and type of logon. There's also another quick method. Open Run again and type Recent. This will display a list of recently opened files and activities, along with the date and time they were accessed. And that's it. With these two tricks, you can easily check if someone has been using your computer without your knowledge. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.